Welcome. In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the WITHINGS HealthMate application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the application. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top right corner, and here you should see your ScanWatch 2 on the list of my devices. Once you see it, find the settings option and tap on it, and here scroll down and find this button called dissociate this product. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on OK, and the watch will disappear from the app. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone and see if you have the ScanWatch 2 right here on the list of previously connected devices. As you can see, it's not here, but if it was on your phone, you can tap on the settings icon, then tap on forget and forget to disconnect it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.